a bit about beans. So now that the beans have been harvested, I go in a gazebo. So any place out of the rain, a little bit of shelter, still plenty of airflow. Doesn't even necessarily have to have a lot of light as long as it stays dry. And I'll let them dry here for another week or two at least, until they all look more or less like this guy. Crack them open, you get beans. So that's what we're looking for. And you soak those for a day before you want to have some soup or chili, and they'll get about 2 to 3 times that size. Once your beans have dried, I found the easiest thing to do is put them in an old pillowcase and smack them on a hard surface like your sidewalk or this table several times, and that breaks up most of this stuff, and you'll just end up with a bunch of kind of fluff with dried beans at the bottom. Once you do that, pull all your fluff out of there, and then I use my leaf blower to just kind of blow the last little bits away on like the lowest setting, so you don't blow your beans away, but the light, little pieces like this, that stuff will just blow away, and you're left with pretty much that bunch of dried beans. That's several different kinds. So yeah,